Our first knot is going to be the lark's head knot. You want to fold your rope in half and use the center point and loop it over the dowel and tuck the working rope through the loop. Now we're going to move on to the square knot. Each square knot is made up of 4 ropes. To start, take the left rope and make a figure 4 over top of the 2 center rope. Take the right rope, place it on top of the rope you just pulled over, behind and through the loop it created. Pull all the way to the top. Now we're going to do the same, but from the other side. So we're going to start with the right rope. Place it again over there, making the reverse figure 4. Take the other outer rope, place it over top, behind the center 2, through the loop. And then tighten it and pull it to the top. Next, we're going to make alternating square knots. So basically to join what we've done together and create a pattern. Same thing, we take the center 2 and make another square knot. This will join the upper 2 together. Now that we've done the second row, let's start the third row. Next up is the spiral knot. Again, we're going to use 2 lark's head knots and 4 ropes. We're going to keep the center 2 together and we're going to do the same knot see where I made that mistake, the same knot as the first knot on the square knot. Now the difference between this and a square knot is that instead of switching back and forth, using the left and then the right to knot with, we're going to continuously use the left hand side each and every time, and this will make the knots go around the center two ropes, creating a spiral. Now the horizontal clove hitch knot. Using the outermost left rope, we're going to use it as a guide to create a nice straight line of knots across the top. You want to keep the guide rope in the direction where you want the knots to go. Taking the very next rope, you want to pull it up, over your guide rope, and through the back, making a nice loop. Pull it tight all the way to the top to the lark's head knot. Repeat the same step to complete the knot. So for every one of these, you do it twice. Using the same clove hitch knot, now we're going to create a diagonal line. Starting from the opposite side, we'll make another diagonal line, meeting them in the middle and creating a nice V shape. To complete the V shape, we're going to join the center. Using whichever guide rope you'd like, continue with the same pattern.